In this video, we listed the 7 best gardening invention for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name Vivison S448 4x4 Grow Tent. The Vivison S448 4x4 Grow Tent is designed for indoor hydroponics and plant cultivation, offering a robust and reflective space to enhance light efficiency for healthier plant growth. With dimensions of 48 inches by 48 inches by 80 inches, it provides ample space for cultivating a variety of plants and is compatible with high-output LED grow lights, such as the VS4000 and VSF4300 models. This grow tent features highly reflective mylar lining that maximizes light distribution by reflecting up to 98% of the light inside, allowing plants to receive consistent, full-spectrum lighting. The tent is also equipped with an observation window for easy monitoring of plant growth without disturbing the environment, along with a removable floor tray that helps in maintaining cleanliness and catching any potential spills, making it ideal for hydroponic setups. Product 2. Product name EasyFlex No-Dig Landscape Edging. The EasyFlex No-Dig Landscape Edging is a practical landscaping tool designed to simplify and enhance garden border creation without the hassle of digging. This edging kit includes anchoring spikes that help secure the edging in place, making installation quick and efficient. The EasyFlex No-Dig edging stands 2.7 inches tall and comes in a slate gray, stone look finish, which adds a decorative touch that blends naturally with various garden styles. The 15-foot length is suitable for outlining flower beds, walkways, or patios, creating a defined boundary that helps contain mulch, soil, and gravel, preventing them from spilling over into undesired areas. This product appeals to users who value both functionality and aesthetics in gardening tools and outdoor landscaping. It's particularly useful for those who want a hassle-free, no-dig solution that offers durability and a professional finish, aligning with users' interest in easy-to-use, practical household tools. The EasyFlex No-Dig Landscape Edging is also an ideal choice for DIY landscapers looking to achieve clean lines and structure in their garden without requiring extensive equipment or expertise. Product 3. Product name Flame King Propane Torch Kit. The Flame King Propane Torch Kit is a heavy-duty tool designed for various outdoor applications, such as weed control, surface repair, and ice melting. This model provides a powerful 340,000 BTU output, making it suitable for intense jobs that require high heat. Equipped with a Piezo igniter for self-ignition, the torch kit offers easy and reliable lighting without the need for external matches or lighters. This propane torch includes a 6-foot hose with a regulator assembly, which allows users to safely and comfortably maintain a distance from the flame source. The hose length and adjustable regulator enhance usability, giving you better control over the flame intensity. This heavy-duty torch kit is particularly advantageous for those who need quick, efficient weed removal, as it can eliminate large areas of vegetation without the need for chemicals. Product 4. Product name Broom with Cordless Leaf Blower. The outdoor broom with cordless leaf blower is an innovative, multifunctional tool that combines a broom with a lightweight, rechargeable leaf blower. This collapsible broom is ideal for outdoor cleaning tasks in various settings, including RVs, camping sites, decks, patios, and balconies. By integrating a leaf blower into the broom handle, this tool provides efficient sweeping and debris removal without the need for multiple cleaning tools. The cordless leaf blower is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering convenience and portability. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport, particularly useful for those with limited space, like RV users or campers. Lightweight and easy to handle, this broom leaf blower hybrid helps users clear dirt, leaves, and debris from hard surfaces effortlessly, making it a practical addition to any outdoor cleaning routine. Product 5. Product name Sunnydays Garden Seat with Wheels. The Sunnydays Garden Seat with Wheels is a convenient rolling garden stool designed to make gardening tasks easier and more comfortable. Equipped with an extendable steering handle, this garden seat allows for easy maneuvering around the yard or garden without the need to get up and move the stool manually. Its swivel seat provides 360-degree rotation, allowing users to reach plants or tools around them without straining. The garden seat includes a utility tool tray for convenient storage of gardening essentials, keeping tools, gloves, and other supplies within easy reach. The Sunnydays garden seat with wheels is crafted in a vibrant blue color, adding a touch of style to its practicality. This rolling stool is particularly well suited for users who appreciate ergonomic solutions in outdoor work, and its design aligns with an interest in tools and accessories that enhance comfort and efficiency. Product 6. Product name Super Handy Mini Wood Chipper Shredder. The Super Handy Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher is a powerful, compact solution designed for efficiently handling yard waste, garden debris, and small branches. This heavy-duty tool features a 7 HP gas engine that provides substantial power for a compact design, making it suitable for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts who need effective debris management without the bulk of a full-sized chipper. Its 3-inch max chipping capacity allows it to shred branches, leaves, and garden waste into fine mulch, ideal for composting or spreading back into garden beds. The compact build makes it easy to store and transport, especially compared to larger chippers, making it a good choice for residential use on medium to large properties. Product 7. Product name Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel is a versatile and robust garden accessory designed for efficient and hassle-free hose management. With a 130-foot heavy-duty half-an-inch hose, this reel is ideal for large gardens, driveways, and patios, enabling users to reach far-off spots with ease. One of its standout features is the Any-Length Lock system, which allows the user to pull their hose out to any desired length and lock it in place. This feature ensures flexibility, as users can extend only the required amount of hose without dealing with excess slack. The slow return system makes retracting the hose safe and convenient, preventing rapid recoiling that can lead to damage or accidents. This controlled retraction feature makes it especially user-friendly for gardeners of all ages. Additionally, the wall-mounted design with a 180-degree swivel bracket provides wide coverage, as the reel can pivot to follow the user's movements, reducing friction on the hose and allowing easy maneuverability around corners or obstacles.